Haere koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Hōroke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Welcome to our whare. I'm Maya.
Ko Jojo ahau.
I'm Tama.
I'm Wolfie.
And I'm Uma.
And we're the Toy Time whānau.
Today is a very special day in the Toy Time house because it's Oma's birthday.
Happy birthday, Oma.
Thank you, everybody. I'm so happy to be spending my birthday with you.
Wolfie, didn't you say that you have something really important to show Oma in the garden?
Something really important to show Oma and the... Oh! Hey, Oma!
Yeah?
Would you please come with me to the garden?
Oh, of course, Wolfie.
Bye.
Bye, Mai.
See ya.
We're throwing Oma a surprise birthday party.
Yep. Hey, will you stay for Uma's surprise birthday party?
We're going to have balloons and a birthday cake.
And we're going to sing Uma happy birthday. Oh, I have an idea. Hey, Mohio,
Tēnā koutou, how can I help you today?
how do you say happy birthday in te reo Māori?
To wish someone a happy birthday in Māori, you can say Hari Huri Tau.
Hari though.
You can also use Rā whānau.
Rafano.
Oh, shh. She might hear us. That's great. Hey, thanks for your help, Mohio.
We've got a lot to do to get ready for Oma's surprise birthday, starting with the cake. Me koke tātou.
Woo! Kia ora, nau mai ki taku kihine, my kitchen. I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm going to bake a carrot cake for our friend Oma. Boing, boing. Okay, I have all of my ingredients ready. I've got oil, eggs, sugar, flour, and the main ingredient, carrots, karoti. Now, remember, you must always ask your grown-up to help you bake, okay? Okay, right, let's begin. Oil, just pop a bit of some eggs. Now, I'm going to try and do it with one hand. Go, that's good. Excellent. Egg, done. Right, and a bit of sugar. Here we go. Oh, it's looking very, very good. And now for some flour. Ba-dum. Right, oh, we got to add our carrots. Extra carrots in here because I know Uma loves it. Chop, 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 chop. Boom, here we go. Right. we have our lovely batter. Right, let's put it in the cake tin. This is cool. It's heaps and heaps of fun. Done! Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven and make sure you always have a grown-up with you when you're putting things in the oven. Here we go. And now you wait patiently. Ding! It's ready! Oh, look at my beautiful carrot cake. I am so good at cooking. Oh no, it's for Oma. Wow.
Maya! I've been looking for you everywhere. There you are, Jojo. Will you help me finish the very last part of Uma's gift box?
Okay.
I've already made the box and I've put this wrapping on this side and this side, but I was just about to put the rest on.
Cool.
Okay. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Oh, thanks, Jojo. But we still have this large rectangle piece of wrapping left to put on the box. Can you see where it might go? That's right. It goes on top. Okay.
Karawe, this looks awesome. Hey, let's show Tama.
Where is Tama? Tama! Were you in there the whole time?
Aye?
He whakaro tāku. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We are gonna throw a giant party. We are gonna throw a giant party for you. We are gonna throw a giant party. Happy birthday to you. We are gonna eat some cake and lollies. We are gonna eat some cake and lollies with you. We are gonna eat some cake and lollies. Happy birthday to you. We are gonna spend some time together. We are gonna spend some time together with you. We are gonna spend some time together. Happy birthday to you. Time for you to open up your presents. Time for you to open up the presents for you. Time for you to open up your presents. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Kia ora everyone, ko Buzzer Ho, and I'm on an important mission today in the toy shop. I'm off to find Uma a birthday present. Hoa ke tātou, let's go! Ooh, maybe Uma will like one of these. What colour will she like best? Maybe yellow. Kowhai? Check this out. Ooh, maybe a bit too fast for her. Let's try something different, eh? Whoa! Check these out. I know Uma likes to run fast, but does she like to ride fast? Check out the wheels on it. Let's take it for a test drive. Yay! Whoa! Whoa! Turn the corner. Yeah! Oh, my hat. Wait. What about you? Nah. Ooh, you? Nah. Scorpion? Definitely not. Ooh, this might be it. Oh, it's super soft and super cuddly. Oh, nah. Whoa, look at all the buttons you can press. Maybe that's a bit too loud. Tēnā koe, Auntie. Hey, I'm looking for a present for my mate Oma, and everything in the store is really fantastic, but it's just not really that right for her. Do you have any ideas that I could use? Uh-huh. Oh, you're a legend. I've got the perfect idea now. Oh, Goosey. Oh, boy, I'm gonna make something for Oma out of this harakeke. Oh, this will work. I think she's gonna love it. Splitting this under there and up. Get in there, get in there. That cool. Mickey, I'm done. Awesome, I'm finished. Oh, she's gonna love this because I made it all myself. Can you guess what it is? Oh, you'll just have to wait because it's a surprise. Shh.
It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you. 5 more sleeps until it is my birthday. 5 more sleeps, that's less than a week. I just can't wait. It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you. 4 more sleeps until it is my birthday. 4 more sleeps, I'll get some treats. I just can't wait. It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you. 3 more sleeps until it is my birthday. 3 more sleeps, I can't believe. I just can't wait. It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you. 2 more sleeps until it is my birthday. 2 more sleeps, I'm counting sheep. I just can't wait. It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you. 1 more sleep until it is my birthday. 1 more sleep when the alarm beeps. It's my special day. It's my birthday soon. It's my birthday soon. I can't wait to eat some cake and party with you.
Thanks, Jojo.
Someone's at the door. Do you think it's Oma? Do you think she's early?
Knock, knock.
Oh, that doesn't sound like Oma. Who's there?
Abby.
Abby? Abby who?
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Tēnā koutou.
Kia ora, Buzz. What a beautiful bunch of putty-putty.
Oh, they're for Oma. I made them myself.
Aw, cool.
Oh, check out all your poiho. Balloons, whā. Oh, we could use them for our tākaro time today.
Oh, karawe.
Yeah, come on.
It's tākaro time. Are you ready to play? Cool. What are we playing today, Buzz?
Oh, well, it's pretty easy. All we do is we take this poiho, this balloon, and then we got to keep it off the ground, OK? Kia rite?
Aye.
Yeah, all right. Let's begin.
Oh, got it. Yes, go, Tama.
Go, Tama.
Oh, nice. Buzz.
Oh,
Oh, this is
OK,
fun.
I'm going to start adding more and more balloons.
Okay.
He's ready?
Whoa.
Oh, and another one. And another one.
Whoa.
Cool.
What colour is the grass? What colour is the grass? Kakariki, kakariki, the colour of the grass is green. Green. What colour is the sky? What colour is the sky? Kahurangi, kahurangi, the colour of the sky is blue. Blue. What colour is the sun? What colour is the sun? Corfai, 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 the colour of the sun is yellow. Yellow. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. What colour is your tongue? What colour is your tongue? Mawhero, mawhero, the colour of your tongue is pink. Pink. What colour is an orange? What colour is an orange? Arani, arani, the colour of an orange is orange. Orange. What colour is an apple? What colour is an apple? Fiddle, 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 the colour of an apple is red. Red. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. Kakariki, kahurangi, kōwhai, kōwhai, mawhero, mawhero, arani, arani, whero, whero, la 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 la.
I've got something really special for your birthday, but you have to find it first.
That sounds like fun. Hey, Wolfie, it's a bit tricky. I don't really know what I'm looking for.
Oh, would you like a clue?
Yes, please.
Okay. When you're getting closer to the present,
Yeah.
I'll say warmer. And when you get further away from the present, I'll say colder. Got it?
Got it.
Oh, colder?
Oh.
Oh, warmer. Oh, warmer. Warmer. Oh, getting warmer. Hot. Oh, so hot it's sizzling.
A carrot! My favourite! Thank you, Wolfie!
You're welcome. Hey, Oma,
Yeah?
would you like another surprise?
Another surprise!
Yay!
Yes, please!
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Fine, Mai. Come on. This way, Oma.
Here they come.
This way, Oma.
What's happening?
Keep your eyes closed.
2, 1. Surprise! Happy birthday, Oma!
Hari hurito.
Nā whānau, Oma Rāwhiti.
Buzz.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia Oma. Hari huri tau kia koe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow! Nā mihi e te whānau, this is the best birthday ever! Me whakanui tātou! Hurrah! So much fun! I can't wait until my next birthday.
Me too. How many more days until Oma's next birthday?
Oh, good question, Wolfie. Hey, Mōhio.
Hi, how can I help?
Kia ora, Mōhio. We were just wondering how many days until Oma's next birthday?
You have a birthday once every year on the date that you were born. And there are 365 days in 1 year. Nō reira,
That means that there are 364 days until Oma's next birthday. Thanks, Mōhio. Aku whakamiha.
364 days. Wow, that's a lot of days.
But the good news is, Wolfie, that we get to celebrate your birthday next, and then mine, and then Tama's, and Jojo's, and yours. Happy birthday, friend. Whee! It's been so much fun planning Oma's surprise birthday party today. I wonder if any of our friends have been celebrating their birthdays. Kia tirohia e tātou.
we're playing What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? 1 o'clock. 1. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? 2 o'clock. 1, 2. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Dinner time! Bye! Story time!
It's that time again, whānau. It's story time! And we love stories. Time to go. Jade's not talking to anyone. She is annoyed and not talking to her mum. Jade is not leaving. She is staying forever with her cousins La and Hemi, Auntie Jo and Uncle Mitch, the 2 horses, 100 sheep, 3 dogs and chickens. Jade is not going home. Taking her special box of special things, Jade sneaks out the door and down to the Pohutakawa trees. Up Jade climbs till she is far up the tree. Big tears fall down Jade's face. Oh, she hears her name being called. La knows exactly where Jade could be and heads to their special tree. Jade wants to live here forever. La spots Jade in their tree and up she climbs. The mums stand at the bottom, arm in arm. When La reaches Jade, they sit for a moment. You can come back next holidays. La gives Jade a shell. Listen, you can hear the sea. La holds the shell to Jade's ear. At Uncle Mitch's truck, everyone hugs each other. But Jade is still a little bit annoyed and not talking to her mum. Nico opens the truck window and bars at the sheep, who bar back at him. Jade holds her special shell to her ear. Uncle Mitch jumps into the driver's seat. Their mum is still hugging Auntie Jo. At last, she gets in, and Jade notices that her mum is a little sad. Hemi waves, Nico bars, Auntie Jo blows kisses, and La swings on the swing waving. Jade has an idea and passes her mum her special shell. Maybe that will make her smile too. And off they go.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha.